Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get a United Arab Emirates IP address from anywhere in the world using a VPN. First, let's look at Proton VPN. Proton VPN is one of the most trusted VPN services, and you can use it for free. Just go to the Proton VPN website, download the app, and create a free account. The free version gives you access to several servers, but it does not allow you to connect to a UAE server. If you upgrade to the premium plan, you will be able to connect to a United Arab Emirates server with a single click. Simply choose the UAE server from the list and connect. The premium connection is fast, secure, and gives you full access to UAE content as if you were actually there. If you are looking for a completely free option, you can use Tuxler VPN. Go to the official Tuxler VPN website and download the app. After installing, open the application. Switch to the Residential tab to access real residential IP addresses. Scroll through the server list until you find the United Arab Emirates option. Click on it to connect. It may take a moment, but once connected, your IP address will show as being in the UAE. This is one of the few free VPN services that actually gives you UAE servers without needing to upgrade. If you want the best possible experience for speed, security, and streaming, then NordVPN is the top choice. Visit the NordVPN website, choose a subscription, and install the app. NordVPN is not free, but it offers the fastest servers, the best privacy features, and reliable access to a UAE IP address. That is all you need to get a UAE IP address from anywhere. Thanks for watching.